In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iCloud not syncing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up these settings like you normally would, then go to the search bar and you want to type in iCloud and then type in Drive just like so. There you go. Then make sure that the option that says sync this iPhone is turned on just like this. Then afterwards, go ahead and press on the back arrow. Then where it says save to iCloud is going to give you more options as well. So press on see all right over here. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and toggle certain things on or off. So if you want to sync, for example, images, make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on. So it's going to give you an option over here. And you could also sync other things like your health, Safari, stock, fitness, etc. And even iMovie, etc., which is definitely pretty useful as well. So make sure that all of these are turned on right over here. And even if you have all those turned on and you realize things are not syncing, then that likely means that you ran out of iCloud storage. So if you run out of iCloud storage, things are just automatically going to stop being synced, which is very frustrating. So you will need to go ahead and free up storage right over here or upgrade to iCloud Plus, where you're able to go ahead and get more storage. So that is 100% up to you. So again, make sure that these settings are turned on, and you need to make sure that you do have enough storage on your iCloud in order for things to sync together. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.